Welcome everyone. Today we are going to start with chapter 3, physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle. We are going to cover first three topics in this video. Meaning and importance of physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle. Physical fitness means the capacity to do the routine work without any fatigue, exertion, and after doing the work, the person has power to do some more work and recovery is quicker. Wellness is the capacity of an individual by which he leads the balanced life. Lifestyle, a way of life of style, a way of living that reflects the attitude and values of the person, of group, importance of physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle. Importance of physical fitness to live a long and healthy life. A physically fit person not only lives a healthy life but also a longer life to increase the energy, power and capacity of the body. A physically fit person can do his routine work without undue fatigue. The strength and capacity is increased because of internal energy due to which he can perform extracurricular tasks after finishing the routine work, for example, entertainment, aerobics, dance, gardening, etc., to reduce the probability of getting a disease. Due to the physical fitness, important parts of the body such as heart, lungs and brain remain strong and there is a less probability of getting a disease because of the continuous activity of these parts. For strong and active muscular and skeletal system, due to the physical fitness, a person can do any physical activity with ease. Posture is maintained, muscles and bones stay strong, joint and muscles have flexibility, and body posture looks toned and attractive. To increase the memory and recall capacity of mind, physical fitness also affects the mind of a person. A physically fit person has higher recall capacity and memory. To improve mental health, physical fitness improves mental health as well. It leads to increase in self-confidence and positive body image. To get rid of excess fat due to the physical fitness, a person is always active. Due to this activeness, the fat in the body continuously get converted into energy, which does not allow the fat to accumulate in the body. To live a happy life, physical fitness is also necessary for enjoyment and happiness of mind. A fit person remains a happy and joyful, which increases his self-confidence and positive body image. Important of wellness are to live a high quality life. Wellness increases the quality of life of a person. A capable and healthy person can experience more enjoyable by participating in games and sports and working with other people. Second, to achieve the maximum growth and development. Wellness is helpful in growth and development of a person. The growth and development of a healthy person can happen easily without any diseases. Fourth, to be a good citizen, a capable person knows how to balance his rights and duties, because of which he can become a good citizen of the country. To live a stress-free life. If a person is physically and mentally fit, then the negative thoughts like stress, tension and anxiety cannot affect him. If the negative thoughts come, then he can manage these emotions very well. These people are capable of living a balanced life. Sixth, to enjoy the life. A capable person has the full knowledge of his physical, mental, spiritual and social capability. That's why a capable person lives his life joyfully. Wellness is important for enjoying the life and happiness of mind. Seventh, to be an active member of the society. Wellness provides the opportunities to a person to attach with the society and the environment. A capable person actively participates in the social activities. Wellness motivates the moral behavior of a person, which is very important to live in the society. Importance of healthy lifestyle. First, increase the level of physical fitness. Physical fitness helps in better coordination with muscles so that there may be an increase in flexibility, tolerance, etc. of the body. This makes a person's life simple and easy, and a lot of improvement take place in the quality of life. Second, increases longevity. Healthy lifestyle leads to have a healthy body. It helps delay the old age, the risk of diseases can be minimized, and a man's age lengthens. Third, prevent cardiovascular disease. Healthy lifestyle protects our body from cardiovascular diseases. It leads to a reduction of extra fat from our body. Thus the heart becomes strong. It leads to improve the blood circulation in the body. Fourth, help in reducing depression. Due to healthy lifestyle, the level of hormones leading to the regularity of the state of body increases. As a result, the person is at a minimum risk of plunging into depression. Fifth, increases energy level. Due to healthy lifestyle, a person feels more energized and rejuvenated. As a result, he can do most of the work devotionally and successfully. Six, increases self-confidence. Due to healthy lifestyle, a person develops more awareness and self-confidence, and it also helps in building mental toughness. Seventh, helps in coping with stress. Due to healthy lifestyle, one's psychological strength get a boost. It leads to reduction in stress, pressure and worry. So it helps in developing mental health as well. Number 8, improve posture. Healthy lifestyle improves an individual posture. As a result there is minimum risk of getting hurt. Improved posture helps in making the body beautiful. We can say that healthy lifestyle keep our body away from cancer, diabetes, blood pressure, etc. It also leads to an increase in a person's self-confidence and also contribute various diseases like positively to an all-round development of an individual. Components of physical fitness and wellness. For overall development of fitness, it is necessary to know the different kind of fitness required for a specific program. Physical fitness can be divided into three main areas. First, skill related fitness. Second, health related fitness. Third, cosmetic related fitness. The difference between three categories of fitness are skill related fitness. It is important in the performance of specific functional motor task. On the other hand, health related fitness is the ingredient in the national public health agenda. Cosmetic related fitness, for many people, looking good is an important outcome of fitness activity. Skill related fitness is important in sports performance and in certain kinds of job performance that require physical skill and strength. Health related fitness is important for prevention and remediation of disease and illness, both physical and mental. Cosmetic related fitness, looking fit is in and looking strong is an important part of looking fit. This is true for both men and women. Skill related fitness, being able to carry out the special skill that are necessary part of certain sports and activity that can help in becoming physically fit, involve one or more part of skills related fitness. It is more functional and specific. Health related fitness, it applies to everyone and is a general concept. Each should achieve and maintain certain levels of health fitness to stay as healthy as possible throughout a lifetime and to improve the quality of life. Cosmetic fitness is fine as long as it takes place in an educational environment where acceptance of different body shape is the norm or criteria. Component of physical fitness are further divided into speed is divided into reaction ability, acceleration ability and speed of action. Strength is divided into static and dynamic. Dynamic is further divided into minimum strength, explosive strength and strength endurance. Stamina is divided into short-term and long-term endurance. Flexibility is divided into passive and active flexibility. Active is further divided into static and dynamic flexibility. Components of wellness are social wellness, ability to interact with people, spiritual wellness, provide meaning and direction in life, physical wellness, ability to carry out daily tasks, environmental wellness, ability to promote health, measure that improve standard of living, occupational wellness, a balance between work and leisure, intellectual wellness, ability to learn and use information effectively, emotional wellness, ability to control appropriately. Component of health related physical fitness